Welcome to Grand Palace. Lots and lots of tourists. Ticket is 500 baht. It's really grand. It speaks for its place because of the structures, paintings, everything. But it's too hot and there's a lot of tourists here. So it's really hard to take some photos and just walking around will make you thirsty. So bring water with you and cap. Welcome to floating markets. It's our last day and we're now doing shopping at Shop Market. Good evening. Our next stop after Shop is buffet dinner at Bangkok Sky Hotel. I forgot to vlog at Shop, but I'll show you what we bought because we spent like half a day just roaming around and then buying stuff. Our table with our view.